I tried Pinterest affiliate marketing with no money and I made $12,105 in 22 days. In today's video guys, I will share with you my methods. I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest, and I will share with you a lot of new methods that you can use as a beginner to earn commission. Okay, so I made this commission from the first day of April, okay, until the day 22 of April. So it's 22 days and I made $12,105, okay, using free traffic promoting affiliate links. So anyway, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing with Pinterest, so here is what you need to do first. You need to go to Google, okay, like this, and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link like this. Just click on the first link and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy guys. So just come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business, okay, because they are really paying a lot of commission. It's not like other affiliate marketing programs who are just paying few cents. This one is really good and profitable, okay. So just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no and choose your country over here. Okay, super easy. Choose your language, okay, and if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. Super easy guys. After you finish and click on next, you will answer next few questions and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard, okay. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable service that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission, okay. So how you can choose good and profitable services? So here is what you need to do. Go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, okay, and now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission, okay. So click over here on the search for Merch by Amazon, okay. Search for this service, Merch by Amazon, okay. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay. So let's choose for example like this seller has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. So what you will do, I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. This seller has 6 orders in queue, a lot of reviews. You can see how many services this seller has sold, okay. So this service is working, people are buying this service, people keep coming back, as you can see. So people are buying this service, so it's a good and profitable service. So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link like this and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, okay. Click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link. Here you go. Put your seller profile link here, this seller profile link. Click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Super easy. So if you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google. Let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy. Make sure to open business account. Pinterest business account, not personal account. After you finish, so why we choose Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you are doing it correctly, and if you are doing research, finding good and trending services. You can make so much money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Okay, anyway, this will be your homepage. Just click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page like this. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture, click on this picture like this, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna name this picture Merch by Amazon. Okay, super easy. I will go back to Pinterest and I will click over here and I will upload this picture to my Pinterest account. Super easy. Here you go. You need title and you need description and you need your affiliate link. Okay, so title, I will go back to this seller profile page. I will copy his title like this and I will go to Pinterest and I will put this title over here. Description, I will go back to this seller profile page. I will scroll down. So you should see this about this gig. So this is his description. Okay, you can copy this part. Let's copy. Okay, let me see. I will copy this one. Okay, like this, and I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. It have been like almost like 5 years that I'm doing this business now, almost like 5 years, and I have old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I'm still getting this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. So for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, you can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, so I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, keyword. So go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you. Let's go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see this. Let me show you, until you see a related tags. Okay, let me see. We should find here. Okay, here you go, related tags. Okay, so those are your keywords. Copy those keywords like this. Merch design. I will go to Pinterest and I will put those keywords here. Okay, and I will go back to, let me see, I will go back and I will copy this keyword here from the seller and copy all those keywords. Okay, then put those keywords here like this, and after you finish, click on publish, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. So this will be your picture, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, this will be your title, and this is your description. So that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. And if you stay consistent, if you keep doing more research, finding good and profitable services, trending services that people are buying, you can make so much money with this method. Okay, you just need to stay consistent. People who don't quit, they are making money. If you will try this business, for example, some people are saying, I will give this a try for 1 week or even 1 month. Please just don't. Okay, if you will try this business just for 1 week, just don't. Okay, because it's not for you. If you are searching for some quick ways to make money online, there is no quick ways, guys. Okay, you should choose one business and stick in this business. Keep improving, keep doing more research, stay consistent, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, and I also want to make this clear. This commission that I made, it didn't come only from Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is one of my traffic sources. I'm using Pinterest, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using Google, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Quora, I'm using Twitter, and so much more. And all those methods, I share all those methods in my YouTube channel. If you are interested, feel free to check it out. I share all those videos for free in my YouTube channel, those methods for free. And that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.